Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best massage guns for runners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Therabody Theragun PRO Plus. The Theragun PRO tops our list as the best massage gun overall due to its ergonomic design, ability to deliver a powerful massage, fast charging speed, and relatively quiet operation. The Theragun PRO is currently in its 5th generation. Like the previous iterations and other models like the Theragun Prime, it has a triangular-shaped ergonomic handle. At 2.76 pounds, it's about 1/4 pound lighter than the 4th generation, making it even easier to hold and use. Additionally, the 5th generation Theragun PRO is 20% quieter than the 4th generation. You can use it while catching up on your favorite TV shows at night or at the gym without disrupting the other members. At its highest speed setting, it's about 66 decibels, which is quieter than a washing machine or dishwasher. The speed settings are also the same between the 5th and 4th generations. The Theragun PRO has 5 speeds ranging from 1,750 to 2,400 ppm. The stall force of 60 pounds and the amplitude of 16 millimeters are also the same between the 2 iterations. These specs make it one of the most powerful massage guns we've tested. While it may be too much for beginners or the average person, it can be beneficial for elite athletes or those who put their bodies through frequent, intense workouts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ekrin Athletics Bantam Mini Massage Gun. You can find dozens of massage guns on Amazon, but we consider the Ekrin Athletics Bantam Mini Massage Gun one of the best. It's quiet, has an impressive stall force for a massage gun of its size, comes with a decent battery life, and is easy to travel with. Our product tester gave the Bantam Mini 4 and 5 stars, respectively, for the handle and battery life. She liked the handle's slim design and rubberized grip, and found it easy to reach all the muscle groups she wanted to massage, including the upper back. Based on her testing experience, the 6-hour battery life listed on the website was accurate. She also appreciated how the battery indicator lit up in different colors based on how much battery was remaining. At just 33 to 55 decibels, the Bantam Mini is quieter than an electric toothbrush, which is around 60 decibels. You can easily use it while watching TV or in the presence of others without annoying them. We also like that the Bantam Mini has USB-C charging capabilities. It comes with a charging cable, but if you lose the wire, you can use any USB-C charger you probably already have at home. Plus, you can charge it multiple ways, whether you want to plug it into the wall with a charging cube, which it doesn't come with, or plug it into your laptop. The various charging options you have available mean you'll rarely have to worry about it not having any juice left. At number 3, we have the Sportneer Massage Gun. Technically, the price of the Sportneer Massage Gun as of this writing is $120. But Amazon is offering a $20 coupon, putting it right at the $100 mark. You can also sometimes find it at a discounted price around the holidays and other major shopping periods, like Prime Day. It's still one of the best budget massage guns available for that reason. The Sportneer Massage Gun comes with 6 massage heads, which is standard for regular-sized massage guns. What helps it stand out is that 2 of the massage heads are chrome. You can heat them in hot water or put them in the freezer to elevate your massage experience. You can even use them with essential oils or CBD oil. These are great additions, because not even high-end massage guns like the Theragun PRO come with metal massage heads. We gave it 4.75 stars out of 5 for this versatility. At number 2, we have the OL Sky Massage Gun. If you're looking for an ultra-budget friendly massage gun, the OL Sky Massage Gun could be for you. For less than $50, you get a quiet, lightweight massager with a wide array of attachments that can help relieve muscle tension and stimulate blood flow to tender areas. The decibel level ranges from 35 to 55, similar to the Ekrin Athletics Mini Massage Gun and B37 Massage Gun. If you use your massage gun in a public setting or while watching TV, the low noise level won't interrupt other people or drown out your entertainment. The product listing claims that it takes 3 to 4 hours to charge, but it seems like this is only if the battery is completely drained. Some customer reviews suggest it can take as little as 30 minutes to charge if it still has some juice left. However, there is a battery indicator on the LCD touchscreen. You'll be able to quickly gauge how much battery you have left before you have to charge it again, so you shouldn't be met with any surprises if you try to turn it on and find that there's no battery left. And finally, at number 1, we have the Therabody Theragun Mini. The Theragun Mini is currently in its second iteration. The first generation only came with the standard ball attachment, but the second generation now also comes with dampener and thumb attachments. That said, other mini massage guns, like the Ekrin Athletics Bantam Mini Massage Gun and Rep Rapid Strike Massage Gun, come with 4 attachments. The Theragun Mini still falls short in that regard. It is compatible with Therabody's 4th and 5th generation attachments, but you have to pay around $20 for them, and the device is already close to $200, making it the most expensive mini massage gun on our list. The 12mm amplitude on the second generation is the same as the first generation. It's not as much as the 16mm you'll get with the larger Theragun PRO, but it still delivers an effective massage. The stall force is just 20 pounds, so it won't deliver as intense of a massage as the Ekrin Athletics Mini Massage Gun, which has a stall force of 35 pounds. However, when I used the Theragun Mini, I was impressed with how powerful it was. In fact, I couldn't even use it on the highest setting, though I can be a bit of a baby when it comes to sore muscles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.